Morning everyone. Today we are going to make our abundance check. So on my altar I have this big green aventurine, I have an EC, I have my abundantia oil, money drawing oil, I have my check, I have some crispy currencies, Molin, hello, my Fortuna, my pyrite hearts, my beloved guardian angel Ganesha, and yes, my manifestation box, the money manifestation box. So here we go. I feel sometimes there are unwanted energies around, so I always prefer either smudging the room before you start any ritual or anything. So smudging was little difficult, so I have this room purification spray. So I'm going to spray this little around to purify the energies. Nice strong smell. Okay, here is how we make a check. It is very important that you take a check from your leaflet, from your checkbook, because that is the check which belongs to you. If you don't have one, you can definitely go for the one which are available online, which you can print easily. Okay, so what do you do? Here what you have to write is your own name. Whom you want the check to. It has to be your name in the payee account. Then in the rupee place, you write 6 lakhs and more. Here there are all numeric frequencies. This is 808, this is 714, this is 520. 808 is money number, 741 is instant money, miracle money. Then here I have written 5189912. In the date I have written now, because I want the money now, because universe understands now than any specific date. Okay, pay, as I said, it has to be your name. Okay, rupee, I have written 6 lakhs and above. Now how do you come to this figure? It's whatever your current income is, you basically double it. So if your current income is 50,000, you make it 1 lakh. If your current income is 10 lakhs, you make it 20 lakhs. Okay, and here is what you write, the figure or more. It is very important to write more, because you want to tell the universe that you are open and willing to receive more from them. Okay, here is the Om symbol. This is again 520, the miracle number. This is 528. This is the Shrim, the money mantra. Om, universal sound. The swastik, which is again a symbol of prosperity. Here we have written 318 612518 This is 71427323183. Okay, here we have the Midas symbol, we have the gratitude symbol, we have the blessing symbol, we have the prosperity symbol and abundance symbol. Okay, down we have written grace, wealth, health, love, peace, joy, happiness. Here it is from law of abundance, all angels and archangels, god and goddesses, money, gods and goddesses too. This is my name and my husband's name. That's why I said if your name is there on the on the check leaflet, it's excellent. Okay, once you have written this, what do you do? Okay, you can keep some crystals on the top to energize it, and you can make a pyramid with red candles like this. Now if you don't have red tea lights, you can use white tea light, not a problem. I have already applied the money oil on these red candles. If you don't have money oil, it's okay, you can use cinnamon powder, you can use basil. Both the herbs are very very powerful, and they have the potency to attract financial abundance. So okay, here is a closer look of the check, so that you all exactly know what all is to be written. Be careful with the candles around. Let it burn. Let it be lit completely. Don't turn them off. And what do you do? Where do you place this check? Okay, I put this check in my box, the beautiful green money manifestation box. You can keep it in your cash box. You can keep it anywhere safely. That's not a problem. Apart from that, okay, what do you do on the next new moon? On the next new moon, you're going to burn this letter, and if you have received this amount, you are close to this amount, whatever you've written. If on the by the next new moon, you're close to say 5,40,000 or 1,20,000, you can just double the amount. You can increase the amount, not double the amount. You can increase the amount. Okay. That is how you come to this figure. And what do you do with this leaflet? You just burn it. And either bury the ashes or put them in running water. Blessed be, enjoy making your check. And if you don't have these crystals or anything which I have on my altar, it's perfectly okay. Remember, the intention is very important. And as I said yesterday, that what we need most important is the new moon energy, which we all have by default. So enjoy making your new check. We are already in love with money, so I'm sure this is going to be a fun-filled and prosperity-filled abundance. May money keep coming to you more and more and more and more and more. Blessed be, divine fortune for all.